Now you can do it. Is it delicious?
Whoa.
I don't see one right now. Where's the yogurt? That's right. Delicious. You do it. But it's in here. That's the yogurt. Oops.
This.
It's okay. Look in your mouth. Yogurt. No, thank you. You eat it. Mama doesn't like it. It's a helicopter.
Bye.
Bye, helicopter. Good job. That's a good one. Good job.
This.
Yogurt. You're doing such a good job.
This.
Yeah, yogurt.
Box.
It's okay. Put it in your mouth. I'll clean it. It's okay.
Box.
Yeah, yogurt. You got it.
Whoa.
You have a seed bowl with every bite. You know, that's how it works. Can Mama help you with the yogurt? Can I help you?
No.
Okay, you want to do it yourself? You want a drink? Wipe your face? Do you want to eat a banana? I have apples. Want some apples?
Yes.
Please? Yes, please?
Yes.
Yes, please?
Yes.
Please?
Yes.
Please?
Uh-oh.
Okay. Would you like some apples?
Yes.
Please?
Yes.
Yes, please?
Yes.
Please?
Yes.
Please?
Yes.
Please?
Yes. That.
Would you like some apples? Here, can you say please?
Yes.
Say it. Let me hear you.
Yes.
Say please.
Yes.
Say please. I'll get you an apple.
Yes.
Please.
Yes. Please.
Okay.